So my next guest today is Fabiola Nunez. She's the commercial director for ROCKA Solutions here in Mexico. Great to see you, Fabiola.
Great to see you again.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you've got quite an interesting, diverse portfolio of different consumable materials. I think one of the ones that's really successful for you is your stencil rolls that you do. And there's a number of reasons for that, but I'll let you explain why these stencil rolls are so special.
Yes, we have a very good product with our stencil cleaning rolls. We have a new technology with the design of the material of the paper,
Right.
and that gives us a lot of advantage in the process.
Yes.
For a better cleaning, you can have a cost reduction because you can clean. If you are cleaning from 3 times, you can move to 5 or even 10. It depends on the process.
So you get better use out of the roll.
Yes, exactly.
And it's lint-free, I think, is one of the big things, so that you don't get any contamination or residues.
Exactly. Even for maintenance of the machine, that helps also. So we have a very good acceptation of the product in the market, and it's like the new technology.
Yes, absolutely. And I think one of the other nice things that I saw about your rolls is that you're not using cardboard spindles in the center.
No, exactly.
Why is that, and how does that work?
Well, yeah, of course, all tube is plastic, so they don't. We don't have dust or in the line because the machine when the room moves, and if it's carton, you can have dust in the product.
Right. Okay, excellent. So other things that you've got there as well is you're also one of the biggest distributors for Indium Corporation down here in Mexico. Tell us about that. Do you distribute the entire suite of materials for Indium?
Yes, we distribute all the line from Indium, all the products. This year we also had the reward for the 4th time to be the best distributor in Mexico.
Okay.
And we also are the principal distributor and manufacturer of flux in Mexico. So
well, that's something that makes you quite unique as well. Is you actually manufacture the flux on behalf under license from Indium Corporation.
Yes, exactly.
Right here in Guadalajara.
Yes, right here in Guadalajara. We mix the flux under all the quality specifications from Indium, and it gives us a big advantage because we can offer to the customer local stock and local supply. Right.
So that reduces the cost to the customer because they're not having to ship it all the way from
exactly
from America.
It has a cost impact.
Yeah. Okay. So other items you've got on your line card are gloves and router bits. Well, let's start with the router bits because you deliberately get them manufactured for you.
Yes.
In Germany.
Actually, yes.
Why did you choose Germany?
Well, right now Germany and Germans have the better products and tools regarding coding.
Yep.
So we work with them in the design of the tool on the router bit, the spiral, the diamond design to have a better performance in the line, to give you more meters to cut and or even reduce the dust in the process.
And it's using German steel, of course.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, of course, right. Okay, great. And the final one I want to quickly mention is gloves.
Yes.
Seems a little bit left field, but why are you into gloves?
Well, gloves is one of the most used consumables in the market. We found that some of the times, for example, for nitrile gloves, not all of the gloves that are in the market are ESD. Ours are ESD, that it's a requirement. And customers even sometimes doesn't know that has to be ESD. So we have that catalog, we have local stock, and we have a good quality.
Okay. So would you expand that at some point in the future to things like the dust covers you get for boots and things like that in the factory?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah,
maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Well, anyway, Fabiola, you seem to be very well set up here. You've got a very well-stocked warehouse here in Guadalajara. How else? What's your footprint throughout the rest of Mexico?
Well, we actually cover all Mexico. We have facilities and warehouse and sales guys in Tijuana, Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, Reynosa, Matamoros,
Yeah.
Monterrey, Querétaro, all the Bajío zone, and also Guadalajara, Mexico
Okay,
City.
okay. And of course, more recently, you've undergone some expansion outside of Mexico into
Yes.
the United States and Brazil.
Yeah. It's been this year's been excited because we opened our facility in Brazil,
Yeah.
in Sao Paulo, in Manaus. We also have in Canada our expansion in USA. So we are very excited to do this expansion. A lot of work, but
I
it's
know.
well rewarded.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been meteoric growth as well. It's been very over a short period of time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's hard. But it's exciting.
Exciting. Great. Well, we're excited for you, and I want to
you.
thank you for coming in and talking to us about it today.
Thank you for inviting us.
Welcome to ROCKA Solutions. When it comes to the manufacturing and distribution of consumable goods, our name stands out above the rest. In a world driven by innovation and absolute precision, working with suppliers you can count on is key. ROCKA Solution combines years of experience and expertise to make sure that we are efficient and always able to meet our customer needs. Our dedicated team works nonstop to maintain the highest standard of quality goods. With more than 17 facilities spread across North, Central, and South America, you can guarantee that your product will be on time every time. The vision of ROCKA Solution is to bring manufacturing of consumable goods back to North America, and that vision is already coming true. When it comes to manufacturing and distribution in the electronics industry, who do you choose? ROCKA Solutions!